Chloe. I'm at the Magical Beauty Salon. I'm gonna hop in my chair. Okay, Chloe, I'm going to brush 3 times with my magical brush to reveal your new hair color. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here it comes. Wow, it's purple. What do you think, Chloe?
I love it so much.
Okay, Chloe, how would you like your haircut?
I love some bangs and a little trim.
We'll start with the bang so you can see. How's that, Chloe?
Ooh, I absolutely love it.
Okay, we're gonna start with the trim. You have so many split ends. Okay, Chloe, I'm going to mold you a butterfly bow with this pink play-doh. Okay, Chloe, today we have a special. Would you like us to razzle-dazzle your hair?
What would that look like?
It's different every time. That's what makes it so magical.
I would love that.
Okay, I'm going to take my magical brush. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wowee! This is the coolest hairstyle I've ever had. It's pink and purple. They're 2 of my favorite colors.
I hope you have a good day.
Thank you so much for having me. I just am so excited to show all my friends. See ya.
Hi, I'm Jack, and I'm here for my 1 o'clock appointment. Okay, Jack, hop in the chair and let's get started. What did you have in mind for your hairstyle? I want your newest creation. I know just the style for you. Just sit back and let the magical brush do its thing. 1, 2, 3. What do you think, Jack? I think it's the best creation I've ever seen in my life. Except, I can't see a thing! Let me fix that for you. And now, Jack, I'm gonna make you look nice and fresh. That looks great. Now, can you shave my beard? It's a little itchy. I got you, my man. On second thought, I hate my hair. Can you shave it all off? Ah, yes, nice and short, just like I like it. I'm glad you like it, Jack. Is there anything else I can do for you? Yes, if you could just clean up these trimmings. Ah, much better. Thanks for coming in, Jack, and make sure to tell all your friends about the Magical Hair Salon. I certainly will, thank you.